Nedurumalli Balakrishna Reddy Institute of Science and Technology, autonomous, affiliated to JNTU Anantapuram. NBKR Institute is managed by Harijana Vidyarthi Udaraka Sangam, a society meant for the welfare of the underprivileged. This society was formed in 1938 by late Padma Shri Nedurumalli Balakrishnan Reddy for the uplift and development of the poor and the deprived, including untouchables. HPUS procured about 200 acres of land near Gudali village in Bakudu Mandal of Nellore district in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Shri Balakrishna Reddy's nephews, Shri Nedurumalli Janardana Reddy and Shri Nedurumalli Padmanabha Reddy, gave shape to their uncle's dreams, establishing the Institute of Science and Technology, aptly christened Nedurumalli Balakrishna Reddy Institute of Science and Technology, in the year 1979. The Buddha statue located on the campus is always a source of motivation for the students and staff.
Our college is surrounded with 185 acres of tranquil campus in the entire of JNTU region. 14 acres is nearly provided for sports and cultural activities.
This is the second private engineering college established in the United Andhra Pradesh. This institute has department-wise buildings and with excellent infrastructural amenities and with state-of-the-art laboratory facilities.
Chairman Dr. I. Gopal Reddy. Correspondent Shri Nedurumalli Ramkumar. Director Dr. V. Vijaykumar Reddy.
Who choose to study in engineering after admitting into the first BTech, they should try to utilize all the facilities whatever are available in the institutes where they are admitted. Of course, they should get adjusted to the engineering college environment in the first year at the earliest. The faculty also should understand the academic levels of the students and try to motivate them at every point of view. The motivators come sometimes from outside and especially give some lectures to them. But in my opinion, every teacher who delivers their routine lectures also is a motivator. When the student is available with their teachers all the time, it would be very easy for the faculty to give all the help to the students, encourage them, identify their hidden talents, and then expose them in the departmental level and college level programs.
Courses offered: BTech courses, Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electronic and Communication Engineering, Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering. MTech courses: Power Systems, Computer Science and Engineering, Digital Electronics and Communication Systems, Advanced Manufacturing Systems. The library, being computerized, has a stock of about 42,391 textbooks with 14,051 titles and more than 170 national and international periodicals and 4,593 e-journals. The library also has the accessibility to 11,942 e-books. A digital library consisting of CDs of lectures given by eminent professors of ITs is made available to students to complement the classroom teaching, opening up avenues to enrich their knowledge in innovative ways.
NBKR IST has one of the largest libraries in the country. We have totally 41,981 volumes. Among them, engineering volumes were about 39,731. Recently, during the year 2014, we have added 2,688 books additionally. While coming to the journals, we have 102 national journals and 26 international journals. We are also having e-journals of 3,457. Our NBKR IST is subscribed with 62 technical magazines. We are also having ebooks of about 11,942. We are also having NPTEL videos of about 7 TB material. We are also having 1202 CDs and DVDs of engineering material with us.
Department of Civil Engineering. The Department of Civil Engineering, established in the year 1979, is one of the oldest department in the institute offering BTech degree. The current approved annual intake of the department is 120. The department has been accredited thrice by the NBA. The department has been producing some of the best civil engineers for more than 3.5 decades. The students graduating from the department every year are occupying some of the top positions in the government and private sectors, both within and outside the country, and are also heading their own enterprises. The department has 10 well-established laboratories housed spaciously with excellent natural lighting and ventilation. Mechanical Engineering Department was established in the year 1979. The department has conducted 3 AICTE-sponsored staff development programs in 2004, 2006 and 2008. The department has ANSYS, RoboStudio EdgeCam, Autodesk Inventor Pro, IronCAD softwares, etc. The department is organizing a national-level student paper contest called TechnoQuest every year from 2006 onwards. Department received AICTE grant under ModROBS to Heat Engines Lab. Department also received research grant under AICTE Research Promotion Scheme (RPS). Under this project, an advanced robotic lab is established in the department.
Our college provides placement-oriented soft skills and training programs starting from second year onwards. The campus is well equipped with digital library in order to have access to the international journals. This institute has 100% backup generators with about 600 kVA, and also the campus is Wi-Fi enabled.
Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. The Department of ECE was established in 1980 and meets the growing demands of industry and society. The department has 3 PhD holders and many are pursuing PhD in various areas of ECE. The staff members are well qualified and experienced. The department has state-of-art laboratory facilities. The department has 120 intake in UG and 18 in Digital Electronics and Communication Systems PG program. The department has the following state-of-the-art laboratories: Electronic Circuit Lab, Analog and Digital Communication Lab, Microprocessor Lab, Digital Signal Processing Lab, Integrated Circuits Applications Lab, Pulse and Digital Circuits Lab. The department is identified as a research center by JNTUA to pursue PhD programs. The department has professional association to conduct technical events for the benefit of the students. The department association conduct national level technical symposium Axion every year on regular basis. Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. The Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department is one of the oldest departments of the institute. The department offers 4-year BTech course in Electrical and Electronics Engineering, 2-year PG course in Power Systems, and PhD in Electrical Engineering. PG program was started in the year 2005-2006 with intake of 18. The department was recognized as Research Center by JNTU Anantapuramu from the year 2015. Department of Computer Science Engineering. Quality is never an accident. It is always the result of intelligent effort. The Computer Science and Engineering Department was formally established in 1990 and existed as a program in 1991.
Ours is the TCS accredited institution. Every year TCS company used to visit and recruit minimum 50 students from our organization. Apart from that, we are also tied with HCL as well as Ash Technologies. SAP program is going on in our institution. Many big companies are coming and hiring the people for the SAP purpose. There are many core companies also visiting our college.
NBK IST has tie-ups with Infosys, HCL, TCS and many more companies. As of now, 16 MNCs has already visited this year. One of our achievements this year was 4 of our students were recruited with a package of 14 lakhs per annum.
A TV with VCR is provided at the auditorium. 2 well-equipped conference rooms that host several meetings of academic groups every year, and there are 2 seminar halls which are regularly used by the students. Hostel facilities. The institute has comprehensive hostel facilities inside the campus for boys and girls separately. A total of 5 hostels, 4 for boys and 1 for girls accommodate students. Each hostel is provided with a spacious dining hall with comfortable furniture and hygienic cooking kitchen facilities to provide healthy and nutritive food. The students are guided and monitored by resident wardens and wardens. A clinic with a qualified doctor, an Andhra Bank Extension branch, a cafeteria on campus, a campus school up to 10th standard, and 3 standby power generators make life comfortable at the institute. The general amenities of the institute include open-air auditorium with a permanent stage and green room facilities for a capacity of 2,000.
You might have heard a quote by Swami Vivekananda about the importance of sports, that you will be nearer to heaven through football than through the study of Bhagavad Gita. College provides an excellent facility for outdoor games like basketball, volleyball, handball, throwball, football, cricket, tennis, kho-kho, and also indoor games like shuttle badminton, table tennis, chess and caroms, and also a good gymnasium at sports complex.
Department has 3 PG trained physical directors, include a women physical director. Our sports complex has the following facilities: outdoor games, volleyball, handball, basketball, tennis, kabaddi, throwball, kho-kho, ball badminton, tennis-court, cricket, football. Indoor games, shuttle badminton, table tennis, carom, chess, gymnasium. The play fields are maintained every day to facilitate the students to play morning and evening session. Our department has a habit of conducting intramurals for students and staff every year. Our college cricket team got runners trophy in the Yenadu Championship in the United Andhra Pradesh during 2011-12. Some of the major events conducted in the institute are prestigious National Handball Tournament for men and women conducted in 2015-16 academic year. Inter-Autonomous Engineering Colleges Games Tournament of JNTUA Anantapuramu conducted in a jubilant manner. 4 students of our institute represented in the national level tournaments. 14 players represented in the state level tournaments in different games.
The only college in the district with all BTech degrees accredited by NBA thrice, re-accredited by NAC 3 times with A grade.
Thanks to NBKR Institute of Science and Technology.
Thanks for NBKR Institute of Science and Technology.
Thanks to 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 NBKR Institute of Science and Technology.
NBKR Institute of Science and Technology, Vidyanagar 524413, SPSR Nellore District, Andhra Pradesh, India. Website www.nbkrist.org. Phone 08624 228547, 08624 228247.